Hey squad, welcome back to another episode of Is in Worth It. So today's episode we got this cool update on here, and basically what this is a wall outlet extender. And you can see for the one that we got right here from this brand, and right here we do have an image of what the product looks like. And you see for the product we do have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of the AC option. And right here in the middle we do have 3 of the USB option and 1 USB-C option. And throughout the product on the side and the front, they do have a night light option. So first I'm going to open this up to show you guys what the inside looks like. So once you guys do take it out, here is basically what the inside looks like. So first thing inside they do provide guys a user manual to teach you guys how to set it up and how to use it. And right inside we do have the product. So once you guys do take it out, this is what the product looks like. So front part right here we do have the brand logo. Right here we do have 1, 2, 3 USB option and 1 USB-C option like I mentioned. And then right here inside we do have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of the AC option, which is more than what you guys get in your regular wall outlet, which is 2. And then right here on the side, like I mentioned, we do have the LED light option or the night light option. So once you guys do plug it in, it should light up. Top of right here, we do have the sensor option. So I'm assuming once it detects light, it will turn off. But once it detects darkness, the light will turn on. So it basically does that automatically, which is pretty cool. In the middle right here, you can see we do have a screw option. So that way you can screw it into the wall or the outlet if you guys do need to. And if you guys do turn on to the back, this is what the back part looks like. So you do want to take out this part right here. And once you guys do that, this is basically what the back part looks like. So right here we do have the 3-prong option, and right here we do have 1. So when you guys do plug in the wall outlet, it will help you guys hold it against the wall and power it on. And if your wall outlet does not have the option for you to put on the screw, you can just take it out really easily. If you guys notice the way how to design the back part is actually pretty nice. It actually allows you guys to fit the wall outlet when you guys do put it on. So that way you can get a very good fitting when you guys do put it on, which is pretty nice. And if you guys look carefully right here, they do provide the specs and features about the product into the input and output. And then for this product, the way how to design it, it definitely has all the protection built in terms of overcharge protection, over voltage protection, surge protection, and the list goes on. And assuming on top of right here or somewhere else, they should have like a button for you to increase or lower the brightness, because there should be 3 different levels of brightness when you guys do use it. I love the fact that how all the AC outlet is all spread out. So that way when you guys do plug something that's actually really bulky, like a bulky cable or something, it's all spread out and nothing will be affected, which is pretty cool. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now let's go test this out to show you guys how it works and when it actually works, and then we'll come back and talk more about it in a second. Alright, so right here we do have a wall outlet. If you guys do plug it in, once you guys do plug it in, this is what the product looks like. And you see how it did light up once you guys do plug it in. But the reason why I turn off the light is because it's still kind of bright out. But once it gets to a dark setting, it will turn off. Let me turn off the light to show you guys what it looks like with the light off. So you can see once we do turn off the light, you can see the light does turn off by itself. But if you guys turn back on the light, it basically turns off by itself. So pretty much for the top bar right here is the sensor option where it detects darkness or light. That is basically how it knows when to turn it on or turn it off, which is pretty cool. And like I mentioned, if you guys want to change the light setting on here for brightness level, you basically want to press on this button. So that's 1, that's 2, and that's 3. So you can definitely adjust it based on your own preference. But now let's plug in some stuff to test it out to see when it actually works. So right here I do have my power bank that works as a wall charger. If you guys do plug it in, let me see it does work. And obviously if you guys want to plug in 5 outlets at the same time for the AC option, feel free to do so. But for this test we'll just plug in 1 to show you guys when it actually works. Next up, let's try the USB option. Alright, so once you guys do plug it in, it definitely does work. And like I mentioned, if you guys do plug in all 4 at the same time, the max is 4.28, if you can see right here. But now let's try the USB-C option. So let's do plug it in. And other side will plug it onto the phone. Alright, so you can see that works as well. So you definitely do have the option to plug in all the outlets at the same time to use it if you guys do want to. But if you guys only use one at a time, they can get a faster charging speed. Especially if you guys use the USB and USB-C option. But you guys are more than welcome to plug in more than 1 at a time. It just slows down the speed because it will spread out all the power for all the outlets when you guys do use it. And I love the fact that how well it stays against the wall because of the way how to design the back part. But this is basically what the product looks like when you guys do set it up. If you see it definitely does work. Welcome back guys. So you see the product definitely does work when you guys do use it. And it's very easy for you to set it up. All you need to do is just plug this into your wall outlet and you can start using it. And obviously, like I mentioned, if you guys do have the screw option, feel free to screw it on. Otherwise, you just don't have to use it. But you can see once we start using it, everything does work in terms of plug outlet, the USB option, USB-C option, and also the night light option as well. And I do feel like having that night light option is actually pretty cool. So that way, if you guys do have kids or something and you guys want to get night light for them, this product basically works as a 2-in-1. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to unboxing and testing product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually working on. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these, especially if you guys are in the market looking for a high quality wall outlet extender that also give you guys that night light option and everything else that I mentioned. Then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you really do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.